Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from INDUSFOOD Manufacturing India 2026. And today I have Naveen with me from Rieco. Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you brief us about your company and how you started?
So it's been 50 years we are in this market. So we started with grinding machines for our parent company, Yashobhoomi Chemicals. Then we found a scope of expanding it. We started giving to other clients also. And with grinding, we saw a scope in other fields also, like conveying machines, linear solution machines. So we are there also now. So we are basically dealing into three segments: linear solutions, grinding machines, and conveying machines.
Okay.
And yeah, it's been 50 years. You can say that wherever you find grinding, we are also there.
Right. So what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So this is Rieco
Okay.
Air Classifying Action Mill. So it's our patented machine.
Okay.
And there it is. This is a skid mounted machine plant, a full plant, like from inlet to the end product.
Okay.
So there we have universal mill, and this is ribbon blender. So these are grinding machines.
Okay.
Because this is a food event, so we have brought just grinding machines only. So we
Okay.
have other machines also, in conveying machines and linear solution machines. We have a big portfolio. Like it's been 50 years, so we have grown a lot, evolved a lot. So we have big portfolio.
Right.
These are some of our clients, in grinding specifically: Haldiram, ITC, Nestle, Unilever, and Adani, Wilmar, Cadbury, and many more MPH.
Right.
So this is that.
That's great. So you're dealing in international markets as well?
Yeah, wherever we found a requirement, where we come from, we go there, we provide solution to them. So,
Any specific countries and all?
so if we see our trend, so it's like in Middle East and in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. So we have a good presence there, Indonesia.
Great. That's really nice. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.